Hi, Ansed here, back again with another video. In this video, I am going to discuss about dictionary. So, dictionary is a collection which is an order. Okay, so an order means you have printed something which we have the model, brand, and year something. So this will be an order. Okay, and then also if you want to change something, we can change. And also this is a indexed. Suppose we have the value 0 1 2 3 4, like this is a indexed starting from 0. And also duplicate member not allowed. Suppose I have added here brand and multiple times, if I printed this one, this will not allowed. Okay, and sets are written in the curly bracket. Always think about it, this is written in curly bracket. So we have seen in the last video sets. I explain you about the sets. Hope so this is also in the curly bracket. But basic difference between the curly bracket is here, dictionary and sets. Inside of the sets we have two value including key and pair, key and value format. Okay, so we have the key and value format. Then what we need to do here, here I'm going to I'm going to show you something about how this is work. Okay, so I'm going to print this one. Okay, so we have the card is, let me execute the program. Here we have, you can check brand. Let me check out that I have printed 2 times, remove 1. And here we have brand, model and year. But you just check here, we have added 2 times, it means duplicate value not allowed. So, and also an order means we have the printed brand, model and year. Okay, so this is let me do that one more things. Okay, 1 second. Yes, this is fine. And if you want to print model, then what you need to do here, we need to add like this one and execute that. We have the model which is A6. If you want to print brand, then you can also execute the brand. Yes, you can check, we have the brand also executed. So these are the basic. So next I am going to show you here I explain here about the accessing item, how to you can access the model. Also if you want to access, so you can check the get method also is there, so you can get the value using get method. Okay, so now here if you want to change something, like if you want to append anything, so you can also do that. How? Let me show you. We have car, sorry, yes, we have this one. Then here I want to add inside of the model something new, which is I'm expecting 2000. Suppose this is new model, so I'm going to put 2020 something. I have written like this one. Then we need to print. I'm going to print here. Let me execute that program. Let me execute again. This value is not changed, but why? Oh, sorry. Yes, model is executed successfully. I forget to exactly the syntax. We have written A6. Suppose if you want to add, sorry, A8 something. Let me, sorry, this is string. I'm going to save again and let me execute that program. It is string basically. Yes, we have A8. You can check here below. Model is A8 and I want to change this one also. Let me change that first of all, which is year basically. Let me execute that year also. And what year we want to add here? I want to add 2020 something. Let me execute the program. Yes, you check here, we have replaced by the 2005 to 2020. Okay, so this is fine. So hope so you understand how to change the variable. We can we have discussed about, we can change this. This is an order we have seen already. We also seen this indexed and also we see in the duplicate items, and set is written in the curly bracket with key and value pair. Okay, so if you want to run in loop, so how you can do that, let me show you. I am going to write here for, and I want to type as a car in, we have the car dict. Let me execute that program. I want to print here something like this one, and we have car. Then what we get, because we have the key and value pair, so here we will get key only. Yes, correct. So if you want to print value also, then what you need to do, here we need to print, let me type this one and let me execute, then again, sorry, why we getting this error? Basically we have here, let me correct this one, we have the car, and here we need to write this one. Okay, so we getting here as a value, so this is the value and we have written as a key. If you want to create also, then you can execute as a car, then check, we have the key and value pairs format right now. So you can run your program like this one. Okay, so how you can get the value exactly, hope so this is clear for you. And also one more thing, if you want to print like value only, then we have the method which is values, and if you want to print now, you can execute the program. Let me correct this one. Yes, we have the value, so you got it here. If you want to value, you can execute by using values function. This is present in dictionary. We can get the exactly value what we want. And here suppose if you want to key and value format, then what you need to do, we need to write here predefined function which is items. Okay, and here like I am going to type here car name, car value. If I return something like this, then car name we have, and we have car value which I executed that here. Let me check that. Yes, we have the key and value format. We have the brand which is Audi, model A6 and year 2005. So we can execute the program like this. So this is predefined function which is items. Okay, we can get the result using item. And then if you want to check something like this model is present here or not, then what do you need to do, you can also check like this. Let me correct this one. I am going to type here if condition, and inside the if condition I want to check like model in. Okay, let me write here print, sorry, model is here. If I return here something like this, let me correct this one. I'm going to execute the program. Yes, model is here, and right wrong, this is executed but not we getting any value. Then let me execute again. Yes, we have model is here. So hope so this is fine, and this is also working correct. And exactly we have the move function in CarDict, but if you want to, then I am going to execute the program. If you want to length of your car, then you can get here we have 3 values is here dictionary, so we can get the value also. And also if you want to implement something, suppose we have car dicts, and if you want to implement like color, okay, so we have suppose white color. Okay, and then let me execute that program. Okay, you can check here we have the color also, color is white. Okay, we can do that using this one. We have the color which is bright white, and brand Audi we have something like this. So we can also add like this. And also if you want to remove something, you can use pop method. Okay, so pop method will remove your exactly value what you want. Like I want to remove cardix dot pop. Inside of the pop method I want to use model. Let me execute that program. Yes, here we're not getting model because we have just using pop method and we remove the item exactly what I want something. Okay, also if you want to remove inserting value, last inserting value, you can also use like pop item. Okay, but we don't need to put here. Pop item will remove your last value. Let's see, we have last inserted value exactly. So let me check again. We have this one and we have removed the particular exactly value. Let me do that. Next is color and we have the color is white. Let me execute that program. We don't have white because this will remove last inserted value. Okay, so this is tracking which is the last inserted item. Okay, so we can remove using pop item. Okay, and del key item with a specific name we can use. Suppose we have del function like this one. We have the del keyword. Basically I am going to use del and I want to use, let me type that cardix, and what you want to remove, I want to use model. Then let's see what happens. We don't have model, we just remove the specific value. Okay, using del function. So also if you want to use complete something, then what you need to do, let me show you. If I added del function and value name, that's it. Let me execute that program. Yes, cardict is not defined, we getting the cardict not defined. Then also if you want to use as a clear function like cardict, and here I want to use dot clear function, then what you need to do, just execute the program and we are getting empty value by using this function. So we can use that particular function and we can use in our program. And hope so this is clear. And also if you want to contain the 2 or 3 4 dictionary, also you can put inside of the your dictionary. How? Suppose I have added here like suppose we have brand like this one Audi. Okay, and inside of the Audi brand we have the multiple, like I'm going to just let me check that we have brand. And here if you want to add inside of the brand multiple values, then you can put name. I'm going to put something like that, Audi. Okay, and again if you want to add color, which color Audi you have. Okay, so here suppose we have white color. Okay, then here we have this function, this value, then I want to add like this, use again the bracket. Second brand we have Mahindra. I'm going to type Mahindra, and Mahindra also we have the white color. Okay, so again you want to different brand, suppose Tata I'm going to print here. Let me type here Tata brand we have, this is blue color we have. Okay, so we have put a 3 name. Let me correct this one. So we have this brand, basically brand we have added. Okay, so you need to put here brand 1, brand 2, brand 3, so we can recognize which brand we have right now. So we have brand 1, brand 2 something. So then execute that program. What we will get here, I'm going to remove this one. Let me execute that program. Yes, we getting the particular values here. Okay, so we can contain the dictionary here. So how many dictionary we have? At 3. So you can use multiple dictionary as per your choice. Okay, hope so this is clear.